State Trooper Casey Wallace encourages everyone to stay safe this Mardi Gras season, especially when it comes to drinking.
If you are going to partake in anything that's going to impair your judgment, please have a game plan, because you don't want to turn something fun into fatal for you.
The game plan for troopers involves more patrols and the use of so-called DUI checkpoints like this one from the Denver, Colorado police. The checkpoints can flag potentially impaired drivers for further screening and help prevent accidents. Wallace says our game plan should be to have a designated driver, a sober person who can get us home safe.
And your wife, your husband, who's going to be the designated driver? Who's going to be that friend that's going to come pick you up?
He also advises the use of ride-sharing apps, and while so-called drunk driving gets all the attention, Wallace says if you feel different, you will drive different.
But the biggest misconception I think that we get about the driving and impaired scenarios is that it just doesn't have to do with alcohol, but it can be anything that impairs your judgment.
And he says to remember, different cities have different rules.
So just because you come into our state and to have a good time doesn't mean that you need to not adhere to those rules and regulations and laws.
The point, he says, is to have a good time, but to also stay safe and keep the safety of others in mind. Joel Massey, ABC 31 News that works for you.